Connect your laptop to either LAN 1 or LAN 2 on the XchangeBox. You should be given an IP address from the XchangeBox if DHCP service is enabled. Type in the IP address, or enter exchange.box into the browser of your choice. Enter the username superadmin and its password to log in. You should be greeted with the main page of the Exchange. Ensure the connectivity on the Exchange is connected and running. To perform the update, click on System, Firmware Update on the left side of the menu. Firmware update can be performed in two ways: local firmware update or online firmware update. It is a two-step process getting to 5.4. The first step is getting to 5.3.9. Before performing the local update, let's remove the previous stored firmware by deleting it. Let's proceed to upload the firmware 5.3.9. Ensure you have the firmware on your device. To upload the firmware file, click on Browse, locate the firmware and click Open. Firmware is using a zip extension. Allow some time for the upload to complete. Upload complete when the list shows the firmware version. Click on the entry and press the Install button. Click on OK to proceed with the update. Allow some time for the device to complete the upload and update the firmware. Please ensure connectivity is always available during the initial update, as it will check with the shore server. The update process will begin as soon as the steps indicated complete. Allow some time for the device to complete the upload and update the firmware. Update successful and will show 5.3.9 soon. Verify the firmware version at the bottom of the login page. Log in as superadmin with the correct password. Allow some time for the connectivity to be restored. Ensure the connectivity is restored by checking the connectivity test. VSAT connectivity will show green after 10 successful ping. Perform synchronization to ensure normal function. Allow some time for synchronization to complete. Synchronization successful. Upgrade to 5.3.9 completed. Let's perform the final update to 5.4. Remove any previously loaded firmware first by clicking on the entry, then the Delete button. Press OK to confirm. Let's proceed now to upload the firmware 5.4. Ensure you have the mentioned firmware if you intend to perform the update locally. Allow some time for the upload to complete. Click on the entry, followed by the Install option. Click on OK to proceed with the update. Allow some time for the device to complete the upload and update the firmware. Please ensure connectivity is always available during the update, as it will check with the Shore server. The update process will begin as soon as the steps indicated complete. Update successful and will show 5.4 soon. Verify the firmware version on the bottom of the Exchange login page. Log in as superadmin with the correct password. Welcome to the new look on Exchange 5.4. Ensure the connectivity is restored. Perform synchronization to check proper function as intended. Synchronization successful. This is the new look on 5.4 where it prompts the user for a required action. Users can reboot immediately or after a specific duration. The device will now restart shortly after clicking on the Reboot button. Rebooting is now in progress. Allow some time for the reboot process to complete. Proceed to log in as superadmin with the correct password. Check the connectivity by clicking the device and check the ping status. Connectivity will show as green when it pings successfully 5 times. Perform synchronization to check if connectivity is normal. Synchronization successful and upgrade to 5.4 complete.